Welcome to LushLoom, where innovation meets style. Sparkles today, we're showcasing the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, our premium PVC folding doors, designed to transform homes across Dubai. Get custom-made PVC foldable doors in Dubai. At LushLoom, every PVC folding door is custom-made to your space. From precise measurements to premium finishing, our doors are crafted for durability, style, and smooth operation. Whether it's for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, our doors maximize space while adding a modern touch to your interiors. Why choose LushLoom? So why choose LushLoom? Custom designs, tailored to perfectly match your interior's high-quality PVC, long-lasting, easy-to-maintain material, professional installation, smooth and precise, every-time modern elegance. Doors that enhance both style and functionality with LushLoom. It's not just a door, it's a statement piece for your home. Trending PVC Folding Door Designs 2026. Here are the trending PVC folding door designs of 2025, from sleek minimalistic styles to elegant textured finishes. Each design is curated to blend modern aesthetics with practical functionality, perfect for Dubai homes. Featured polyvinyl chloride doors. Our featured PVC doors are durable, lightweight, and stylish, designed to withstand daily use while elevating your interiors with a premium look and feel. Our recently completed PVC door fixing projects. Let's take a look at some of our recently completed PVC door projects across Dubai. From concept to installation, each project reflects our commitment to quality, precision, and client satisfaction. Outro. Ready to upgrade your interiors with LushLoom PVC folding doors? Contact us today and experience custom-made design, seamless installation, and modern elegance for your Dubai home. Visit www.lushloom.ae. Call now for your free consultation.